Good day, everyone. Our group topic is all about food allergens. Food allergens, many of this food can cause some allergic reaction. We must be aware that many of food's allergens and the menu items that contain of them. These are the top 8 food allergens. One of the food allergens is wheat. Wheat is a smorgasbord of proteins including gluten, which is the primary offender in gluten sensitivity, otherwise known as celiac disease. Some other examples of allergens is albumin, globulin. To avoid allergens like albumin and globulin in wheat, always read food label and look for wheat-derived ingredients. Choose allergen-free products labeled as gluten-free or wheat-free. Soy. Soy is usually affect infants and toddlers, though many of them outgrow it by the time they turn 2. Example is soy lecithin, TVP, or textured veggie protein.
The major fish allergens are the parvalbumins. Parvalbumins are the major allergen fish species and tropomyosin, crustacean, and mollusks. How to avoid fish allergens? To avoid allergic reaction, we must not eat fish like tuna, salmon, and etc. We should know what we're going to eat if it contains fish as ingredient. Shellfish allergen. Tropomyosin is the major allergic protein across all edible crustacean and mollusk species. More than 60% of shellfish allergic patients are sensitized and react to tropomyosin, often leading to severe symptomatic reactions. And how to avoid vibriosis or shellfish allergen. We must avoid eating shellfish like eating raw seafood. For example, oysters. This is where we get the vibriosis. And do not eat crabs, shrimp, lobster, and mussels to avoid shellfish allergy.
Milk are one of the top causes of allergies in children. Although many become desensitized by age of 3, cow's milk is the leading cause of milk allergy. But milk from other farm animals like goat and sheep can also lead to reaction. To avoid those allergens, do not boil milk. If you want to avoid lumps, make sure not to bring your milk to boil. Heating it too quickly can result in curdling. Instead, heat the milk gently and gradually over medium-low flame until it begins to steam. Eggs are the leading cause of eczema, a type of skin allergy attacks in babies and children. The primary trigger is the protein in egg white, although allergies to yolk is not uncommon. These are the ways to prevent food allergens in eggs. Read food labels carefully. Some people react to foods with only trace amounts of egg. Be cautious when eating out. If you're breastfeeding, avoid eggs.
Peanut allergy occurs when your immune system mistakenly identifies peanut proteins as something harmful. To avoid food allergens in peanuts, always read ingredients labels carefully. Look for any mention of peanuts flavor, or peanuts products in packed foods. Tree nuts. This can occur through eating the nuts directly, consuming processed foods, or even through cross-contamination. To avoid food allergens in tree nuts, always check the label indicates that product contains or may contain tree nut. Do not eat if you don't recognize an ingredient.